We've all heard Sushmita Sen speak. She's calm, confident, and fluent. It's not just the English that she uses, it's how she expresses herself so confidently. She doesn't use overly complicated language, but she uses some idiomatic phrases extremely naturally in her speech. Today, we are going to learn 10 such idioms that you can use in your daily life. So, stay with me till the end.
My thing is, I'm a very nice person. Just don't rub me the wrong way.
To rub someone the wrong way. This idiom means to irritate or annoy someone unintentionally. जब आप किसी को परेशान कर दो बहुत ज्यादा लेकिन अनजाने में. Let's take a real life example. Recently, Grok के साथ एक बहुत बड़ी कंट्रोवर्सी हुई जहां पे हमने देखा कि Grok AI बहुत अब्यूजिव लैंग्वेज यूज कर रहा है हिंदी में और ये चीज इंडियन गवर्नमेंट को बिल्कुल अच्छी नहीं लगी. So here we can say Grok AI's abusive language rubbed Indian government the wrong way.
It came out of nowhere and hit me really hard.
When something hits you hard, you get affected by it negatively and deeply. जब आपको कोई चीज बहुत गहराई से और बुरी तरीके से अफेक्ट करे, that is when you can use this idiom. COVID-19 can be the best example of this. जब COVID-19 आया तो बहुत सारे लोगों की जॉब्स चली गई, उनको फाइनेंशियल ट्रबल हुआ या फिर they lost their loved ones, so there was a lot of emotional and mental stress. So here we can say COVID-19 hit people really hard as they not only lost their jobs but also their loved ones.
Because my dad was in the Air Force, हर 3 साल में पोस्टिंग होती रहती थी. Till my mother put her foot down.
To put your foot down. This idiom means to use your power or authority to stop something. जब आप अपनी पावर या अथॉरिटी को यूज करते हो किसी चीज को रोकने के लिए. Let's take a real life example. Indra Nooyi was the CEO of PepsiCo for 18 years. जब ये CEO बनी इन्होंने डिसाइड किया कि ये स्टॉप करेंगी अनहेल्दी प्रोडक्ट्स की प्रोडक्शन को रोक देंगी ताकि पेप्सिको थोड़ा और हेल्थ कॉन्शियस हो सके और उन्होंने हेल्दी प्रोडक्ट्स को इंट्रोड्यूस किया इस कंपनी में. सो हियर वी कैन से इंद्रा put her foot down and introduced healthier products in PepsiCo.
I count my blessings every day that people accept me for who I am.
To count your blessings. This idiom means to be thankful or grateful for the good things in your life. जब आप अपनी लाइफ में अच्छी चीजों के लिए शुक्रगुजार होते हो, when you feel happy about the good things that are there in your life. Generally, we humans tend to focus on the negativity. हमें लगता है कि हमारी लाइफ में ये भी अच्छा नहीं है, ये भी अच्छा नहीं है, everything is going wrong. But this idiom wants us to focus on the positive. For example, we can say, stop crying about the negative things in your life and count your blessings.
When destiny weaves its ways, a franchise drops into your lap on a Friday afternoon.
This idiom can be used to describe a situation where you get something unexpectedly or suddenly. जब आपको कोई चीज बिना एफर्ट करे, बिना मेहनत करे, अचानक से मिल जाए, that is when you can use the idiom to fall in my lap. For example, मैंने तो इस जॉब के लिए अप्लाई भी नहीं किया, लेकिन मुझे कॉल आ गया. So here you can say, I didn't even apply for this job, it just fell on my lap.
Me was a person who wanted to just be honest and speak my mind.
To speak your mind. This idiom means to say what you feel without worrying about others. जब आप अपने मन की बात क्लियरली एक्सप्रेस करते हो बिना ये सोचे कि लोग क्या कहेंगे. I think Kangana Ranaut as an actress is the perfect example of it. वो हमेशा अपने मन की बात क्लियरली बोलती हैं बिना ये सोचे कि लोग क्या कहेंगे या लोग क्या समझेंगे. So here I can say Kangana Ranaut is one of the actresses who always speaks her mind.
You don't know anything about it. So I started from scratch.
To start from scratch. This idiom means to do something from the beginning without having any prior experience or knowledge. जब आप किसी चीज को बिल्कुल नए सिरे से स्टार्ट करते हो, जब आपको उस चीज का एक्सपीरियंस या नॉलेज नहीं है, बट आप उसको फिर भी स्टार्ट कर रहे हो बिल्कुल जीरो से, that is when we can use this idiom. Let's take a real life example. फाल्गुनी जो फाउंडर है नायका की was an investment banker till the age of 50. लेकिन उन्होंने डिसाइड किया अपनी जॉब छोड़ के नायका स्टार्ट करने का. उनको पहले से कोई एक्सपीरियंस नहीं था रिटेल में या बिजनेस में या ब्यूटी में. Yet today her company is really successful. So here we can say Falguni left her corporate job and started Nykaa from scratch.
This is what you should expect from the last 4. Human spirit. Against all odds.
Against all odds. This idiom means to be successful despite challenges or difficulties. जब आप मुश्किलों के बावजूद सक्सेसफुल होते हो, तब आप इस idiom को यूज कर सकते हो. लेट्स टेक अ रियल लाइफ एग्जाम्पल. सुधा चंद्रन एक बहुत फेमस टीवी एक्ट्रेस है जिनको डांस करना बहुत पसंद है. लेकिन when she was 17 years old, she met with an accident and her leg had to be cut. Her leg had to be amputated. But she didn't give up. She kept dancing. So here we can say despite her accident and leg amputation, she continued dancing against all odds.
I'm in the thick of receiving an award, but I want to be at my child's sports day.
This idiom means to be deeply involved in a task. जब आप किसी काम को करने में बहुत ज्यादा बिजी होते हो, that is when you can use the idiom to be in the thick of something. For example, when she was starting her own business, she was in the thick of it. It means जब उसने अपना business start किया तो वो बहुत ज्यादा busy थी, बहुत ज्यादा involved थी अपने काम में.
I had my jaw hitting the floor looking at the 89 women there.
When your jaw hits the floor, you are completely surprised or shocked by something. जब आपका मुंह खुला का खुला रह जाए, that is when you can use this idiom. दोनों ही words surprised और shocked का मतलब होता है हैरान हो जाना, लेकिन दोनों के connotations अलग हैं. Surprised is positive, shocked is negative. जब आप किसी बुरी बात पे हैरान हो जाओ तो use shocked. जब आपको कोई अच्छी चीज हैरान कर दे, then use surprised. For example, when I looked at the price of this designer bag, my jaw hit the floor. मैंने जब इसका रेट देखा, मेरा मुंह खुला का खुला रह गया. This brings us to the end of this video. Please practice these idioms by forming some sentences and leaving it in the comments below. I will make sure that I check each one of your comments and give you some feedback. So what are you waiting for? Comment below. If you like the video, then please like, share and subscribe. Keep unscrewing English with me. I'll see you in the next video.